I'm literally so excited about this platform. It's called flick.tech or Flick. And what it does is it helps you create and search for hashtags. Now, one of the things I've struggled with hashtags is knowing which hashtags are lower used or lower reach doesn't also mean that they are not ones that are being used a lot by other people in your competition space. So what Flick does is it actually ranks things on um, low audience competition, medium audience competition, and then large audience competition. So some of the hashtags that I was using that I thought didn't have, a lot of use, which meant they'd be perfect for me in terms of that low competition, are being used a lot. And so I've got a high competition space to use those. And it's trying to find those lines. The other thing with this is that I hate collecting and collating hashtags. And so this actually allows me to have my hashtags here and save them. I've got little collections here. So I've got one around confidence and video with 52 hashtags in it that I can pull ones out of. I've got a generic one so that I can just literally come in, copy and paste those. I've got it on my phone as well, so I can copy and paste those and put into them. And I'm going to start collecting and creating some collections in here. So it has collections that you can have where you've launched your collections. Just go through, it's probably doing that. And so like I might have my one here. And now I've only just started using this, but what it does is it has a top performing section here as well. So once you're doing it, you can be shown that you're ranking, and it talks about the competitive reach or the potential reach of those as well. Excuse my dog whining in the background. I love the analytics of this. It is a paid platform, but I feel that as I'm going into Instagram more, I want to be able to use this. This is great for social media research, and it gives me heaps of training and help and support, which I super, super love. I thought we'd just do like a little test here. I'm going to use my dog because he's being a whiny little dog, and so I'm just going to go Staffy. And so Staffy dog, we'll start with that. And so you can do like a little search. And then what it does is it gives you the low competition ones. So these are all the ones that other people, so Staffygram, for example, and then I can just click that one and it will be added onto my thing. And then I basically go through and do that. And then I might grab a couple of medium and occasional high competition ones. Once I've done enough of those ones, I then can come into here and I might say something like, dog with ball. So I'm thinking about other things that I might use, and then it will show me the low competition ones with those, so I can add a bunch of those ones, a couple of ones until I get 30, and then I can save it as a group of hashtags that I can then use. I love this program. Oh, sorry, my dog. I love this program. It is the best. It is far better than my dog is behaving at the moment. And I just highly recommend it. It's such a great platform. I'm going to put a link to it, and so you can have a look and have a try yourself.